Greetings, I'm Crazed Nelly, and welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's. I kind of sort of forgot that I needed a slot for... I had neglected this game. And I needed to try to beat it. I do not like this game at all. But I gotta beat it. I do. I gotta make it past night 2 at least. I mean, damn, this game is scary. Let's do it. Let's jump into Five Nights at Freddy's again. Hey, I clicked continue. Oh, loading screen, that's right. Oh, here we go. Everybody is there. Everyone is there. Okay. Let's say I'm actually very tense, which doesn't help. Everyone is still there. Yeah, I know. I've heard the call before. I've got to try. They are the same. Oh! We just lost all cameras at once. Oh, that frightens me. Because I don't put it past them to make them immediately leap to my room. I do not. Okay, we have the bird missing. Again. No, the bunny missing. And I remember you. Jesus! Gotta keep an eye on Pirate Cove. Bunny's there. Can't tell. Oh, shit. They say... I'm gonna die very quickly. I hear a lot of movement. There's Bonnie. He's gone. He's moving. But where is he moving to? Shit. Shit. I have no idea where it is. Crap. Crap. Where is Bonnie? Now I don't know where two of them even are. Great. Wait. Aha! But that means you're gonna be there any moment. But I gotta save power, too. Uh-oh, movement. I don't trust that area. That area needs to be closed. You're in the supply closet. I can't believe I just opened that door again, but I gotta... Oh, shit. I say, I don't know what the sounds mean in this game. They could mean anything. They could just be background. And I have 4 hours to go. Oh! There's the bird. So how's Pirate Cove doing? Pirate Cove is doing A-okay. You're still in the supply closet. You're over at the restrooms. Okay. Gotta keep an eye on things. Gotta keep an eye on things. I swear this game is going to give me a heart condition. You're still in the supply closet. You're still there. Give Pirate Cove a look. Hit the lights a few times. Okay. Breathe. 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 Oh, movement. No, you're not there anymore. Yeah, you are. You're right there. And that means you're probably... Yeah, you're still at the restrooms. How's the bear doing? Bear's still there. Pirate Cove's still there. I have no idea what movement does. No. I need to see. You're still there. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Not funny. Uh-oh, movement, 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 movement. Closing the door temporarily. Good call, because he's right there. Yeah, you're funny. Where's the bird? Bird is there too. Let me move. Where are you? You've moved. But where? You're... It's me... That's not funny. Does that mean you've moved? No, it doesn't. Come on. I've got 3 more hours, and I've got very little power left. Oh, shit. Where's... The bird is there. Forget... You're still there. Jesus, you're both hovering. Shit. Shit. You're still there. You're both still there. Why do both my hallways have to be filled? Check Pirate Cove again. Light. I'm surrounded. I'm fucking surrounded. 4 a.m. Are you still there? You're still there. You're still there. Look at Pirate Cove. Because if I ignore it, I will die. You're still there. You're still there. Come on. 2 more hours. Shit, 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 shit. Okay. Are you still there? You're gone. At least for the moment. You've moved back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Come on, 1 more hour. 1 more hour. Let's just hit both. We can survive. We have 15% power. I have to survive 1 hour. Yeah, you're right there. Okay. 1 hour. 1 hour. Come on. Check Pirate Cove again. Where are you? 5 a.m. Come on, switch over to 6. I have 1 more hour. And I've done most of it. I can feel it. It's gonna be right on the dot. Come on. Switch over. Oh, I'm out of power now. Please switch over. Fuck. Switch over to 6. Switch over to 6. Switch over to 6. I'm right on the dot. Switch, man, let me switch over to 6. I see you there. Yes! Do it! Oh! Okay. Okay. We did it. We made it past day 2. Night 2. Oh, things are gonna get more active now. You guys haven't moved. You guys haven't moved. I have another call? I do? Uh-oh. Birds on the move. Oh, you're really moving.
Hey, you're doing great. Most people don't last this long. I mean,
Which means you're probably there.
move on to other things by now.
Or right next to me.
I'm not implying that they died. That's not what I meant. Anyway, I better not take up too much of your time. Things start getting real.
Where are you?
Hey, listen, I had an idea.
There you are.
If you happen to get caught and want to avoid getting stuffed into a Freddy suit, try playing dead. You know, go limp. Then there's a chance that maybe they'll think that you're an empty costume instead. If they think you're an empty costume, they might try to stuff a metal.
You're doing this way too fast.
I wonder how that would work. Yeah, never mind. Scratch that. It's best just not to get caught.
You think,
okay,
buddy?
I'll leave you to it. See you on the flip side.
You're still there. You're still there. You're still there. I see you there. No one else has moved but you. Why do you hate me so much, you damn chicken? Why? Shit. Temporary movement. We are going to... The kitchen never has a goddamn thing. You've moved back all the way over there? Frickin' psycho chicken. So, show changes. So, all the cameras aren't... Okay. Okay, I don't trust this. Locate chicken. Locate chicken. No idea. You're not funny. Where are you? Where in God's name are you? I hear shit. God, I've only been here an hour and I've already used 30% of my power. It's not a good sign. Oh! There you are! Found you. You're in the restrooms. Now I can stop freaking out so much. Say, 2 a.m. Yep, you're moving, but you're in the... goddamn show stage. You've moved again. God, you keep charging me. Everyone is still not moving. I don't know what to think about that. Keep Pirate Cove in your sights. Oh, right there. Okay. Yeah, you go away. I know you're right there. Pirate Cove? Nope, everyone's moving now. There's backstage. Where's the bear? Where's the fucking bear? I need the bear. Bonnie is there. You're still there, so I can't do anything. Move! I don't want to continually use this. Oh, okay, that must be the bear. All I know is that you guys are distinctly not funny. Go away so I can open the door. I'm gonna die, because they're making me drain way too much power. I can't open that door. He's right there. Go away. Okay, Bonnie's in there, I think. Yeah, that's Bonnie. I'm gonna die horribly. Pirate Cove. Pirate Cove has been activated. You're still there. You're still there. Pirate Cove. Pirate Cove has been activated. I'm not happy about this. Pirate Cove is a really great way to die quickly. Have you moved? No, you haven't, because you're a dickhole. Man, just go away. Anywhere. You're still there. Both of you are here. Bonnie's here. He's active. Bear's still there. There's no way. The only choice I have is to only hit the door lights. I am at 4 a.m. And to check Pirate Cove, because if I don't do that, I will die. Move! You're not gonna let me. You're never gonna move from that door. You're the guy who can teleport, who can go everywhere, and you're gonna stay at the door and drain my battery. You're a dick. You know that? You're a dick. Come on. Shit! Up! I lose. That didn't scare me near as much as I thought, but I saw him running and tried, but it was too late. Both were there. I had both Bonnie and Ed there. This damn game. I didn't get as scared, though. I think I'm starting to get a little bit more used to it, but still. We made it to night 3 at least. That's something, right? We made it to night 3. Oh. I'm so screwed. Well, it could be worse. We made it one night, now we got another night to figure out. Anyway, if you like me braving one more night of the worst minimum wage job I have ever seen, hit the like button. And as always, with the nothing way out.